Okay, so this is the navicular drop test, and what this is going to test is if there is navicular drop, which is going to be a drop in the medial longitudinal arch of the foot, and this could indicate that the patient has excessive pronation. So I'm going to change the camera angle here. So you're going to have your patient stand, and you're going to palpate for the navicular bone on their foot, and then just mark it. Okay, and then you're going to put them into subtalar neutral. So you're going to feel the front, and you're just going to see when you can feel that talus bone evenly on both sides. That's about here. Then you're going to measure in millimeters how high up that navicular bone is. So she's at about 35 millimeters. So then what I like to do is I'm going to have her stand on one foot and then have her just stand normal right after. And it's just going to put her in her normal stance. And then you're going to measure again. So now she's at about 25 millimeters. So she actually has a sign of navicular drop. About 10 millimeters of navicular drop is a sign of that excessive pronation. And then also if they have almost none, that could also be a sign of pathology just because their arch is very stiff.